This is what an eagle does. Let me show you. They call it the mopping stage. So same is who calls it? They call it the mopping stage. Figgy point like develop corn. Good figgy point. Good figgy point. When eagle cannot mount anymore. By the way, eagles don't fly, they mount. A chicken fly, the other birds fly, but an eagle mount. It's not a place where to like this. It will sit on the mountain. The beak is blunt. It's not able to tear the meat apart because an eagle is a carnivore and an eagle is a predator. So you know what it does? He take the beak, he tata lomlomo blunt, besi tata lomlomo, he shaya peswetwana, he shy, mamaya magama, lomlomo hebayo, yaw tabula. Like that, you know what it does? It waits for the beard to regrow. Now you must understand, a process in the midst of pain is where your success is hiding. Anyone who's afraid of pain is disqualified to lead the pack. But when you're able to embrace the pain, to run with the pain, you become the best leader ever found under the shadow of the sun. It stays days and months without water or food. Like that in Genela Amaclaus. It's done with the beard, but now in Genela Maclaus, it tabule Amaclaus. Did you ever experience the pain of a claw on nail? How when it tear apart, how painful it is. Marukos, it does that intentional. It tabule Maclaus, over a plant, they cannot capture the prey anymore. Like that, if I'm a pain until the claws will regrow. Like the down, like the talapo. The last part, it tatalama fetus, it tabula onke amasiba. That the inside you are keeping. Besia Shiva, you know why? Because of if it does not do that, it will not be able to mount. It will die there. You have a choice whether you want to get there. No flu by doctor, no me lawyer, no me advocate. You must burn the midnight oil while it makes the hay, while the sun shines. It goes with pain, it goes with time. But if you don't study, you won't be hungry. There comes a time, when an eagle, when it feels a wuti, it does not go for abortion or shortcuts. He has to for the purpose. And let me tell you, Tanasekai, listen. If you exercise abortion, you keep on doing it to train abantu on the toilet. You find them then. Because you will go up high. Listen to this. It's a last statement. Will go up high because it meant to be on high. After breaking the nest, remember, the children cannot what? Mount. If they hit the ground, they will die. They will cease to exist. No cause. I will never leave you. Not forsake you, but I shall be with you until the end. Lalela, before the shall pass,